Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into some exciting updates about the DJI Neo and the Osmo Action 5. If you're keen on staying ahead of the curve with the latest in tech, especially in the realm of drones and action cameras, you're in the right place. Let's get into the details. In this video, we'll explore the newest leaks and rumors surrounding DJI's upcoming releases, the DJI Neo, a compact mini drone, and the Action 5 Pro camera. We've gathered some fresh insights that will likely intrigue anyone interested in the future of content creation, particularly those who enjoy using cutting-edge technology. Starting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Osmo Action series has always been a competitor to GoPro, and the Action 5 Pro is expected to take things up a notch. The release is rumored to be on the 28th of August, 2024, just before GoPro's usual September launch window. DJI seems to be timing this perfectly to capture the market's attention before GoPro drops its latest model. Leaked specifications suggest that the Action 5 Pro will feature a 1.3-inch sensor with a 155 degrees field of view, paired with an f2.8 aperture. These specs are familiar as they are quite similar to those found in Action 4. This raises the question, what exactly makes the Action 5 Pro stand out? While we don't have all the details yet, the Pro in its name suggests there might be some advanced features or enhancements that differentiate it from the Action 4. One significant upgrade might be the battery. Rumors indicate an increase in battery capacity from one 1700 mAh to one T900 mAh, offering a bit more juice for extended shooting sessions. Now, shifting gears to the Neo, this little drone is shaping up to be an impressive piece of technology. Previously, we speculated about its capabilities, and now more details have surfaced. Such a light build makes it a great option for beginners or those looking for a highly portable drone. The expected release date is now set for the 20th of August, 2024, and this announcement has caused quite a buzz. DJI has plans to release the Neo in 3 versions: the standalone drone, the Fly More combo, and the Motion Fly More combo. The Fly More combo is priced at an estimated $390 and includes 3 batteries, which should keep you flying longer without having to recharge too often. Both the DJI Neo and the Osmo Action 5 Pro are positioned to make a significant impact in their respective markets. The Neo, with its FPV capabilities and ultra-lightweight design, is set to appeal to both new drone enthusiasts and seasoned pilots looking for something portable yet powerful. On the other hand, the Action 5 Pro is likely to attract action camera users who demand the best in video quality and durability. The Action 5 Pro, on the other hand, continues to challenge the status quo in the action camera market. With potential improvements in video quality and battery life, this camera could become a go-to tool for creators who need a reliable, high-quality device for capturing fast-paced, high-action content. The DJI Neo and the Osmo Action 5 Pro are packed with features that cater to a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professional content creators. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found the information helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.